Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into the Lords mobile game using your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device, and you might be asked to go through the basic tutorial levels if you are running for the first time. Once you complete these levels, you will gain access to the main menu, from which tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on Account. And now you will see the switch account or the login option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the Facebook option. Tap on this button, and now you will be able to link your account if you don't already have an account associated, or you can also tap on the login button if you already have an account that you have linked. After you tap on the respective option, you will be taken into the Facebook application, from which you can simply tap on the Continue As button, and you will be logged in using your Facebook account on the Lords mobile game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into the Lords mobile game account using your Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.